Hey, what's up guys? So look what just came in today. My splitter for the core. You know. So this is off of a 10th gen. I got the 9th gen. And this is a carbon fiber look. It's definitely not carbon fiber. And it's a 3-piece, so I'm gonna try to put it on this weekend or something like that and see how it looks. They gave me some hardware here, or some screws, but doesn't give us any direction. So they gave me like a whole bunch of long ones and short ones, so I don't know if I want to use the long ones to hold the 3 pieces together or not, but I'm gonna try the shorter ones first. Alright, so what you want to do here is just basically screw the splitter up to the bumper, and the splitter already has pre-drilled holes, so you just gotta find the one that actually could drill up onto the bumper. So I use the smaller screws on both of the corners, and then one long one on each corner just in case the small one do fall out, and then I use the rest of the longer ones in the front and in the middle. So I don't know if you can see here, but there's these 3 triangle spacer in the middle of this middle piece here. I just screw the long screw, one of each on behind them, and then just screw it all the way up, because if you don't, then they kind of flap around in the wind. So if you do want them to sit a little bit lower, you might just have to add some spacer though. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna add some spacer in the front there, so it actually sits lower, because I just don't like how it angles upward. And yeah, that's it. Okay, so I just got my splitter installed. Just came back in the house to grab my camera gears and stuff like that, so I'm gonna go out, see how this thing holds up, and take some pictures. I am here at the secret spot right now. I just went on small roads and the highway at 70 miles per hour, so moment of truth. I'm gonna go out and check it out, see if it's still there. Looks like it's still here, so okay, so that's it for the day. If you guys have any questions or comments, just leave them down in the comments down below. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible, and don't forget to click that subscribe button. But other than that, peace out.
Okay, I've been working like 3 jobs. Probably why I never see ya. Probably why I never have time for the fake friends that won't be ya. Oh God, I've been running now. Up early when the sun is out. Not setting out my own soul, but those real ones, they coming out. Oh look.